trainers, resources are UN, use resources and support service. It will support you. And what is ADARAN? Area Institutional Assessment, Quality Control Area, Practical Work Area. So, this back to our seats. That is all for today. Thank you for
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Good morning, everyone. So let's begin with the prayer. Amen. And these are the attendance. You can now see. So I have reviewed your test results. Here are the so-called strengths
Ay,
and areas for improvement. This training guided by training. This ensures that all activities align with the required competencies. For those who indicated their prior experience, this certificate for now proceed with your individual assessment agreement. Mr. Marmol, you will undergo practical test demonstration on our University on Efficiency Web Development. So please get the laptop and we start. So you may now explain your code. What is that? So you are correct. So please, thank you. Please back to our seats. Based on your performance, you have demonstrated competency in basic web development. Now, the award certificate of your achievement. Congratulations, Mr. Marmol. Next step. Proceed with the next module and start preparing your final project to our next session. So, for the without prior knowledge, Mr. Gabriel, I will now write from here. I will now provide you the development of learning modules. If you have questions while coding, feel to ask me. Okay? You have 30 minutes to practice building your web page. Okay? So, are you ready to be assessed? Please demonstrate. So, can you please demonstrate there in the laptop? And explain your code. So, yeah, you're correct. So, thank you for your cooperation. I use HTML for the structure of CSS for the and the design on the CSS. script is for functions. So the work your code is functional, just keep improving structure and the responsiveness. So I will now record your progress to provide your review. That is all for the two trainees. See you in day 3. So sign out.
One, two, three, go.
Good morning, everyone. Let's begin with a prayer. Amen. So, attendance, typing, and now signing. Thank you. So, we will now receive the post-test evaluate your learning. Please perform your final test. So, post-test. So, please perform your final demonstration by building or modifying the web application based on your work in the make sure. So, make sure your code follows the structure and it's functional. So good. That is alright. You have successfully meet the requirements and for the Mr. Aquilio. You will now demonstrate your. So that is all. You're correct. Thank you for your cooperation. So congratulations, everyone. You are now rewarded by the certificate of training completion, Mr. Arnold and Mr. Abdul. So, please accomplish your training evaluation course. And your feedback is important in improving training program. Here is the timeout. Thank you. So for those who are qualified, we will now provide the requirements of forms for the national assessments. Thank you for your active participation. Congratulations and good luck to your future assessments. Thank you.